And shifting focus now, as heavy rains amid monsoons that have battered several cities pan-India, the rains across the length and breadth of the nation that have brought the country to its knees, these on the onset of monsoons that have also exposed the preparedness level that states need to tackle to the rainy season. Flash floods triggered by cloudbursts have claimed 6 lives in Himachal Pradesh. Now, according to officials, the hill state has reported 3 cloudbursts, 9 flash floods and 3 landslides in the last 24 hours itself. Gujarat's southern region, including Navsari, are experiencing disrupted normal life with submerged roads and homes. A bridge was also washed away in Chota Udaipur due to increased water flow in the river. In worst hit Himachal, Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has directed all top-level officials to be on alert and ensure 24/7 accessibility to the public.
There was a flash flood in Kaniara, Dharamshala area on which third day itself today the rescue operation is on, and till now more than 200 people have been rescued from the Hydel project site. And this is the location where you see right behind here at 5 kilometers the Hydel project is located, where 13 people went missing, and out of which 5 were rescued, one yesterday itself, and 8 went missing. And out of it, 6 dead bodies have been recovered so far, and 2 people are still missing, for which more than 100 personnel of NDRF, SDRF and local police are being rescuing it. And the operation is on third day itself. But you see the weather conditions are still more concerning here, because orange alert been issued by the weather department for till 11 p.m. Today. And you see the condition, the water level has been also been increasing after the heavy rainfall here, and there is always a danger for the localites who are residing nearby, and also the tourist people that are into such prone areas. And also disaster management and the weather department and the local administration have suggested, issued an advisory for the people to not go nearby this nalas and this Manuni Khad or rivers that are located in Himachal, and also they need to safeguard themselves from the landslide, flash flood and any other danger or the disaster that could take place in such weather conditions. And also now on the third day the operation is on, but two people are now missing, for which the search is going on. And also these weather conditions are more concerning, because it's a start to the monsoon season, but this weather and the tragedies which has taken place, whether the cloudburst in the area or the flash flood or the heavy rain or the landslide, is somehow indicating that this time the monsoon is more concerning, is not usual as it used to be in these areas. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Kaniara, Dharamshala.